Yes.
Okay, this Oliver Goebel of Goebel
High-ends.
High-ends.
Yeah. I'm pleased to have you here. What you see here is a set of aluminum parts for Epoque reference at the moment that goes out for surface treatment. This is why it lays here. It's not for show to lay here. Some parts are for show, of course, because I know that you use it. But these go out on Monday to the surface finishing for this set. What you see here is here happens all the assembly of everything. What we do is we don't have a 5x aluminum CNC milling machine. That makes no sense. Also, not for the enclosure part, we don't have milling machines here. That makes no sense because the quantity
It's not good enough.
It will be insane to have this. It will be nice. I love to have it, but it will be insane. So this is given to another company also nearby. It's only 20 kilometers away from here. They do the milling parts for us. Then it came here. We put them to our surface finishing manufacturer, and we do all the assembling then here. So this means also the enclosure is everything. The enclosure is glued and everything with epoxy and with everything is done here. And then goes out to surface finish for another company. Then come here and we do the assembly of everything then on the aluminum part, enclosure parts, speaker, wiring, crossover, everything we do here. The main speaker, the bending wave, is completely made here. That means we let produce the frame, the basket that's milled out of full aluminum, and then we assemble it completely. We do here the laminating of the membranes, vacuum pressing of the membranes, the complete assembly with magnets and everything we do here. So the core technology is completely here, not outsourced. It's completely here. The other things like milling is outsourced. It makes no sense.
The beautification part lah.
Yes, it's also not so easy to find really skilled manufacturers who are interested in doing small quantities with very high quality. That's always. But we have. Yeah, here will be the assembly of the cables and everything. We do everything here. Here's this comes from the surface manufacturer, and this will go to the CNC machine again to mill the what is called in English chamfers. Something is it chamfers?
Chamfer.
Yeah. And this is a special lacquer treatment on top. And the nice thing is, we also make the screws with this treatment. It's a special anodized lacquer. And so if we fit in and it has exactly the same color. This is why we use this. And also every part has the same color. Normally if you have anodizing treatment of the aluminum parts, if it's a big block and if it's a small thing like this, you will have big color differences because of the temperature of the parts that go into the anodizing bath and go out again. And with this lacquer treatment on top, we get a completely even finish. So that's a very, very, very expensive from out of Switzerland. It's a Swiss company who produces the lacquer.
Oh,
It's they only do special things like glasses, the frames of glasses and something like this. Automotive things only for very high quality things. This also comes from a lacquer finish. This is a wall speaker, and this will be equipped for a customer as a center speaker for below the canvas. He already has. This is, and these are